From Loretta Lynn's ranch to the Monster Energy Cup, winning was what we did best. Welcome home, RV. That is the post from Kawasaki and the news that Ryan Villopoto has rejoined Kawasaki. Now, obviously, correct me if I'm wrong, it's the only brand I know it's the only brand he ever won a title on, but I think it's the only brand he ever rode for. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm going to say professionally. Obviously, since his retirement, he had signed with Yamaha as an ambassador, and they, nice enough to, have said, quote, "Since joining the Yamaha family back in January 2018 as a brand ambassador, Ryan Villopoto has been a big part of the Blue Crew family. Yamaha would like to thank him for all his work and dedication representing our brand and engaging with fans at our Blue Crew invitationals and tons of media events, OAI, and all kid bike events. Thanks for the countless memories, RV." Now, I don't think this is Ryan Villopoto rejoining Kawasaki and technically Thor also to race. Let's be honest here. I don't believe that. I mean, he retired in 2017, so almost, no, 2015, right? Even longer than that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's 2015. He's been gone for a very long time, almost over a decade now. And I mean, obviously, an incredible career. I think he's, 6 450 championships, 4 250 championships. It's just insane. I mean, this is back when I was getting into Supercross. Him and Dungey battling. Incredible time, incredible talent. Just so good. And honestly, I'm sad he retired when he did. Or at least retired from here and went over to MXGP. I mean, he could have had at least another couple titles over here. And it was kind of sad to see. But I think this is going to be more basically what he did with Yamaha on the ambassador side of things. And who knows, maybe they're bringing him back to try and fix this bike. Obviously with Chase Sexton now out for who knows how long. They lost Jorge Prado last year. The bike has not looked super competitive. Let's be honest here. If you can get him on that bike and do some testing, he may not be where he was a decade ago, but he might be able to help you. Who knows? It couldn't hurt at this point. Let's be honest. And it's interesting. I mean, obviously, they had the 2-stroke announcement last year. Maybe he'll be the one brought in to, ride that when they actually do show it, whenever that may be. But it's cool. I mean, obviously, he's a huge part of this sport. For a while, he was one of the absolute best, still probably is, but, top of the game when he was riding. And it's cool to see these guys still around, still a part of the sport, still involved in it in some way, not just, hey, I had my time, I retired, and you're never going to see me again. It's cool to see. Now, is he going to race? Again, I doubt it. I mean, maybe we get the Dungey thing where he goes and races a couple outdoor nationals, or maybe he does what he did for Yamaha and just does like the fun press things. I think he rode some GNCCs, correct me if I'm wrong there too, but I mean, this is cool. I mean, I always liked Villopoto. Just you gotta agree that the talent was absolutely insane. I mean, at his time he was just unbeatable. But I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you think of this? Cool? Do you not care? What do you think he's going to be doing for them? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.